Hey, what's going on, everyone? I am back. Today's August the 10th, 2022. We are here to give you all the next biggest move in Binance. So welcome everyone to the channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I create the price predictions. I'm the one who comes through and create these videos showing you all where the price is anticipated to go, all without the confusion. So if today's your first time ever clicking on my videos, make sure you guys, before you go, if you appreciate it, hit the like button. Share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. Also recommend tapping that bell notification, because every video that I produce, I want you all to be one of the first ones to get the heads up, because that is the advantage that we have amongst everyone else who is trying to take money from us, is that we need to be ahead of them. That is the name of the game. Speed, forecasting, predicting is how many people are able to win in the market. If you're able to see something that somebody else does not see, then you're more than likely able to win. That's how you're able to make the money in these cryptocurrencies. So I want you all to go ahead and join me. All right. Now, check this out. Did a video in Binance on July the 16th, 2022. You guys can already see in front of you that the market in Binance did trend higher. I mean, I was already expecting that to occur in the market in Binance right there on the 16th of July. So congratulations to those who also predicted the same thing, because we are on the same page. We are all noticing how the market is really working. And since we do know that, we're able to consistently profit rather than lose in the market. So congratulations to those who got that 13.75% out the market. If you were to get out today though, check this out. 26, almost 27% from a price prediction that was conducted on July the 16th. Now let's talk about this though. I'm going to zoom out the price chart and I want to show you all the aerial view of Binance, right? So you guys can see what has occurred into the market in Binance. Check this out. Do you see what happened recently in the market in Binance? Look at that. See, the market in Binance is now trading outside of that downtrend line, which is fantastic because it tells us that the dynamics has changed from the market being more bearish to the market being a little bit more bullish, to where the buyers are actually opening up their wallets and buying some of this cryptocurrency. This is what we're seeing right now. So that's a very good signal for us to understand how people are thinking or how they feel. Because if people were still nervous about buying Binance, then guess what? The market would not be breaking outside of this downtrend line. It would not occur. People will not be trying to buy it, but instead they are. So what we need to do first of all is address that. We need to go ahead and follow the market that is winning. Okay, so let's cut this out the way and let's follow the buyers, because obviously the buyers are the ones controlling the price right now in the market in Binance. Now, seeing that that's the case, you guys can tell that price currently is breaking away from the trend line that the buyers have been maintaining. Look at that. So we can still see the market in Binance fall almost 17%. And you'll see a whole bunch of articles being created and written. You'll see a whole lot of videos talking about the market and Binance is crashing and it's now the time to sell if it falls 17%. But I want you all to see in relation to the price chart that it is still in line with the trend. So if you're trying to find a precise place to come in and buy Binance, it would be right there at this ascending line, which is around like $265. Okay. So I wouldn't be surprised to see the market in Binance initially come down in price, because we are so far away from the overall trend that the market has been upholding. Okay. So let's look at the market real quick in Binance on the 2-day chart. And you guys can see as I zoom in on this particular chart that the market currently, it is trying to figure out what it wants to do from this price level right here. Okay. So I would suspect that the market may trade here sideways for a couple of days until the buyers figure out if they're able to consume all of the sellers into the market in Binance. That is why the market currently is getting hung up right there around $325 in Binance. Okay, so check this out. We are hitting the top. So initially we could possibly see the price go down. I've already mentioned that initially in the beginning of this video. So don't be surprised to see the market in Binance dip back down, because we hit the top. We were trading at this level of $325 back in May, and here we are today, August the 10th, and we're hitting that area again, because last time the price went down. So this time we want to wait to see if the market's going to come back down, and if it's going to go back down, how severe will the move down be? If it's not going to be that severe, then we understand that the long-term view is that the buyers are still controlling the price. So let's go ahead and look at this on a 3-day chart, 5-day chart. So you guys can see here that currently, yes, we're hitting the top. Okay. Now that area, as I zoom out this price chart, I want to show you that we've been here before. Okay, look at this. The market in Binance has been here before, and this could be the cause as to why the market is currently being inhibited of breaking above $325, $340. Look at that. Back in the beginning of the year, the market utilized that area as support. We fell through that area, and now we're coming right back up towards it. So I want to ask you all the question: are we going to see Binance break back up above $340? Because if so, then we need to be prepared for it. Okay, so check this out. This is Binance on a weekly chart. Okay, and yes, we are getting hung up right now. I get it. But I would say if Binance price is able to maintain $280, that the view of us looking for the market to break above 340 is increasing. And then the next level is going to be $360, okay? Because I still like what happened on last week's trading in the market in Binance. Looking at this on a 2-weekly chart, there's some buyers here. The buyers are controlling the yard, but we're closing off of the highs of this current 2-weekly price bar. 3 weeks, it looks decent. It's not massively bullish, so I will give the market credit on that particular round. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I am going to play the strength into the market in Binance still. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on the chart, because I'm going to look for the market in Binance to run up. And I said as long as the price in Binance is able to trade above 280, we are going to look for the market to continue to trend higher. Now, I got that horizontal line. I want you all to understand that that will have to be a logical place for us to grab some profitability. That is going to be our first price target, because we already know that market got hung up there already, and that will give us around 6%. Hey, if that is the only amount that we're able to get out the market, then that's it. I mean, what can we do? Do we want more? Yes. But if the market cannot break above 340, then we'll have to take the 6% and move on to the next opportunity. Okay. Then my second price target is going to be around 360. And that's how far I'm looking for the market to run in Binance. Now, we could see the market really move higher in the long term, but the first objective is for the buyers to take out 340. If they don't do that, then there's no need for me to increase my price prediction up there to 400. Not yet. Okay, so let me bring that back down. This is my price prediction. This is how I am anticipating the market in Binance is going to move going forward. And yes, be prepared for the market to go down at Binance, because we are at the top. Okay, we're here. So yes, price can initially come down. All right, so that is it. Let me go ahead and cut that out. I am done. It is your turn. Go ahead and give me your price prediction, your price target for Binance, and let me know whether you all suspect that the price is going to go as we approach the month of September. All right. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.